Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
No, Malta is not here. Mine? Oh, okay. So, see? Carrot beer and lemon beer. Put one in the car.
Yes, that's what, yes.
Mario no can come give me. Mario never can come give me. See, Mario can come give me.
What?
But like,
And you know something?
Mario don't have a
You might not see them again until another funeral. Because that's where families meet.
Yeah, funeral style, no? So where food is? Run this here. Run. Run this there food. Take a lemon, man. So they have the food. Come on, take a look. No, not even that now. No. No, no. No. Run into the pot there. See what I go on to the pot. Then soup. So where can I eat in the pot? Yo, you see me get around this up. So what do you have upstairs? What kind of soup, Basi? What kind of soup? Veg. No meat? Oh, that sounds good. Right.
You want to now? With the heat?
Peter, you don't big a cup?
No.
Yo, you know we crave already, you know.
Don't tell nobody.
We cut off our jug, you know, man. You know that's how we drink things. Yeah?
Keep it to yourself, man.
Yo, me worry you know, man. Let me taste one nice food here. I want to say.
Pull your cup, pull your cup.
I want to say.
Pull your cup. I line up.
No, Jesus, me can't, but no, me can't go this one. No. Hey, what's up? So Peter, what do you have upstairs? Eh? What do you have upstairs?
What's that?
Where you eating?
Dining table. What?
So, I got the step. Alright, me don't look. So, so they have sip. Sorry, no go cheap. Sorry. Let's see what they're going upstairs. See what's going on up here. I'm going to drink one of them already and tell us it. See it is. And I drink one more. Oh, so good. What do you have? Got some bar. Okay, then you ready? Where food? Oh, what's that food? Restroom, food here, what? One for stage. phone battery a dead star. Anyway.
You're back.
Comfortably in a lot.
Yeah, fish and rice and peas. Light beer. Lemon beer. The best beer in the world. But judge that thing David done it so. So this is Jamaican fridge in a supermarket. You have things you can pick up like orange juice, look for orange juice. What about Brandon Lee? So a cherry drink. Wonder if it's good. Peanut punch. One Mebelino. I'm gonna try carrot punch and orange juice. Water, but I don't see them have none. So, pork food in my belly. They don't know water. Oh yeah, they have water. Oh, they might fix that. What water? Pwede ito po ang bato kita water.
Oh, that.
The supermarket shorty. What go on yun? Yeah man, that was a juice, isn't it? So where's that going, bro? Can I play ball? Mash up, mash up.
Hello, I'm on the phone charger. Somebody put their phone on charger. Don't move with their phone.
Let's try. Stacy, now you try. No, I want to try. So you
A
using
paper
boxing.
straw. No paper straw. We don't get it out. $1,000 for one box. $1,000.
That really? So you using boxing.
Which way you think that come now? Or we have to wipe down.
No, it's not. I'm not going bad, man.
Can't talk.
What about your supermarket? And give me blue bag. Up down. Blue bag. And give me cut out black bag. Over the past 2 years, I'm in a day, I look at the place bush up. Yes, full of bush. Where I come from, looking around. Like, catch me. I say everybody has something to say. family member you know meet long for years, you know, say some of your family member them, and sometimes things like this really call back everybody together. Like people you know seen a lot in years, and cousin, everybody just meet up at one place and now so whole heap of talking. Sometimes you have to just say I go far and I'm ready. And you still don't want you left. As you know, all the things they talk about, ask about this a person, that the person, everybody you want to know about it. Everybody alright. Yeah, so all the talking. I talked to my wife this morning, I didn't talk back to her again because the internet I get problem like gone for the whole day. And in the morning like go. So I left out to go to the funeral like then come back yet. Yeah, so things said without the light the internet not gonna work. On the road I go on my yard and I was still
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. When days bad days, you know say you with up. Me with a trade house and car and shed up. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you get up, spend time together.